In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Browsec VPN to Chrome. By the end, you'll have Browsec installed, turned on, and ready to help encrypt your browsing and switch your virtual location right inside Google Chrome. First, open the official Browsec Chrome extension page. This lives on the Chrome Web Store and is published by the verified Browsec developer. You'll recognize it by the familiar shield icon and a large number of users and reviews. Sticking to the official listing helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you're getting the legitimate, up-to-date version. On that page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a small dialog outlining the permissions the extension needs. These permissions let Browsec create a secure connection and manage traffic for the tabs where you use it. This is standard for VPN-style extensions. If you ever change your mind, you can remove extensions later through Chrome's extensions settings. Next, confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up window. Chrome will download and install Browsec, and you'll see a brief confirmation message. After installation, the Browsec icon should appear in the top right corner of Chrome. If you don't see it immediately, it may be tucked into the puzzle-shaped extensions menu. The icon is your control center for turning protection on and off. Click the Browsec icon to open its panel. Here, select Protect Me or switch the VPN toggle to On. The moment you do, Browsec begins encrypting your browser traffic and routing it through its secure servers. Websites will see the location of the server you're connected to rather than your actual location, which is useful for added privacy and for accessing region-specific content. Keep in mind that any VPN can affect speed slightly, so if a page feels slow, wait a moment for the connection to stabilize. If you want more server locations, faster routes, or extra features, you can optionally sign in to your Browsec account to unlock premium access. This is not required for basic protection. The free plan gives you essential encryption and a limited set of locations, which is often enough for everyday browsing and quick privacy needs. That's all there is to it. You open the official Browsec page, added the extension, confirmed the install, clicked the icon, and turned protection on. Use Browsec responsibly, follow website terms, and respect local laws. If something doesn't load while connected, a quick page refresh usually helps. Enjoy safer, more private browsing in Chrome.